How to fix an error occurred while checking for a software update. Try again. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If you guys are trying to update your software, if you're on your settings and trying to check for updates and it gives you an error instead of a software update like this, you can fix it using these solutions. So let us begin. So the first step is you will need to head over to your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi. You can head over to Wi-Fi settings as well. So on your Wi-Fi settings, you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi. You can turn it off and turn it back on. Then make sure that you have a strong internet connection. And after you do that, what you need to do is head over to your settings, go to General, and then scroll down. There you will see an option called VPN and Device Management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. After you are not connected, even if you are connected, make sure that you disconnect, and after you do that, you can then head back to your settings again. Now head over to General and then scroll down all the way. There you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on Reset. Now if you have a network issue, you can tap on Reset Network Settings, or you can tap on Reset All Settings as well. After you reset all of your settings, you can then head back and then head over to your General again and then head over to Software Update. After doing all of that, your problem should get fixed. Now, even after doing all of that, if your problem does not get fixed, make sure that you do all of those steps that I just showed and then also restart your iPhone. After doing that, your problem will get fixed and you will start getting software updates. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.